Living on a limited income can be a constant challenge, especially now with the ever-increasing inflation rate. Managing your finances to stretch them until the next paycheck might feel like playing a game of Tetris. Thankfully, this video offers 10 valuable tips to help you make ends meet on a modest income. Number 1. Sell unneeded items. Take a closer look at all your possessions, and you'll likely find plenty of items that you no longer need or use. We all accumulate things with the intention of using them, but often they end up forgotten. For example, you might have clothes that no longer fit, but are still in excellent condition, or toys that your children have outgrown. Carefully assess your belongings and set aside anything that is no longer useful. By selling these items, you can earn extra money to help pay your bills, while also decluttering your home. Number 2. Create and stick to a budget. Creating a budget and sticking to it is crucial. Every dollar of your income should be used wisely, and a budget is your guide for responsible spending. Nowadays, many people fall into the trap of spending money they don't have, relying on credit cards. Before credit cards became popular, people were more aware of their finances and where their money went. Unfortunately, misusing credit cards has led many people into financial problems without even realizing it. By creating and diligently following a budget, you'll have a clear understanding of your income and monthly spending capacity. A well-designed spending plan enables financial restraint, mindfulness of expenses, and prevents overspending. Number 3. Consider generic products. Another effective way to avoid overspending on necessary items is to consider generic products instead of branded ones. Premium brands invest heavily in advertising to convince us that their products are superior, which is why they come at a higher cost. However, in blind taste tests, generic brands often outperform premium brands. Opting for store brand or value brand products can help save your money while still providing quality items. Number 4. Minimize your utility expenses. While some recurring utility costs like water, natural gas, and sewer services are unavoidable, there are things you can do to lower the costs and save money. For example, taking quick showers instead of baths, ensuring all faucets are always completely closed to prevent water waste, and turning off lights in unused rooms. These actions can help reduce your electricity costs. Number 5. Meal planning. Frugal individuals aim to reduce their monthly food spending by planning ahead. Even the most frugal people have their lazy days, which can quickly snowball into a week of takeaways if they're not careful. To save money on food, it's essential to evaluate and cut unnecessary expenses. Meal planning and grocery shopping in advance are effective ways to save money on a limited income. Planning your meals helps eliminate food waste and lower grocery expenditures. Find reliable places that sell groceries and other food items at affordable prices to spend less. You can also prepare large meals that can last several days and reduce the need to buy food daily. Cooking meals at home instead of dining out will also significantly save you money. Number 6. Reduce your transportation expenses. Transportation is a crucial aspect of our lives, but it doesn't have to drain our finances. Consider cheaper modes of transportation, such as using public transportation or riding a bike, to save money. In cities where paying for gas and parking can seem unavoidable, switching to walking or cycling not only provides exercise, but also saves money on gas, parking fees, and car maintenance costs. These small savings can accumulate and positively impact your budget, allowing you to allocate more money to essentials like food and utilities. Remote work has become more prevalent, offering opportunities to save money and time. If your job allows it, consider working remotely occasionally or full-time. Carpooling is another economical and enjoyable option. Number 7. Utilize coupons and discounts. Unfortunately, many people feel ashamed or hesitant to use coupons. They worry that others will think of them as cheap or poor. However, it's surprising to learn that even some of the wealthiest individuals like Warren Buffett and Bill Gates embrace coupon usage. Finding printable coupons online is easy, as many businesses post them on their websites. Additionally, when shopping at specific retailers, don't hesitate to ask if they offer discounts, especially if you're a regular customer. Due to fierce competition, businesses often provide discounts to promote customer loyalty and gain a competitive advantage. It's crucial to take full advantage of these opportunities. Number 8. Explore free or affordable entertainment activities. Spending quality time with your family and having fun together is crucial. Some of my favorite childhood and teenage memories revolve around enjoying holidays and vacations with my family, which may be why the average American family spends over $3,200 annually on entertainment. While certain events or experiences may be worth the expense, it's better for your wallet to look at the multitude of free entertainment options available. Fortunately, there are plenty of low-cost or free entertainment activities, if your income is limited. Most neighborhoods, towns, and cities have events calendars that list free or affordable entertainment options. These events present an excellent opportunity to interact with your neighbors, have a good time, and make the most of your weekends or holidays. Look out for local fairs, festivals, volunteer opportunities, and art and music events, among others. Number 9. Apply for government assistance programs. If you find yourself in a situation where you have little to no income or savings but need to provide food and shelter for your family, you are entitled to government social assistance programs. A household is considered poor when its total income is insufficient to meet basic needs, including food, shelter, clothing, education, and transportation. Sadly, many low-income individuals lack access to essential information about these assistance programs. This lack of knowledge restricts their access to welfare programs, employment opportunities, and puts them at a disproportionately high risk of corruption and exploitation. Fortunately, both federal and state governments offer grants and assistance programs to support low-income individuals. It's crucial to understand that each program has specific eligibility requirements, so it's essential to thoroughly read the terms and conditions before applying. If you cannot receive aid through government programs, you can explore grants offered by nonprofit and charitable organizations in your state. Number 10. Track your expenses. Keeping track of your expenses is essential for effective budgeting. Use a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or even a simple notebook to record your expenditures. This way, you'll have a clear overview of where your money is going and can identify areas where you can cut back or save. Remember, every individual's financial situation is unique, so it's important to assess which tips are most applicable and beneficial to your specific circumstances.